Breaking news. Major fire devastates Falmouth. A major fire ripped through Duke Street in the historic town of Falmouth, Trelawny on Tuesday, destroying at least 5 buildings and leaving extensive damage in one of the municipality's commercial areas. According to preliminary reports, the blaze began inside a studio located on Duke Street before spreading rapidly to neighboring buildings, fueled by closely spaced structures. The fire quickly intensified, sending thick plumes of smoke into the sky and drawing scores of residents and business operators to the area. Emergency crews from the Jamaica Fire Brigade responded to the scene and worked for several hours to bring the blaze under control. Firefighters battled challenging conditions as they attempted to prevent the flames from spreading to additional properties. Eyewitnesses reported seeing the flames engulf multiple buildings within a short period, while nearby business owners rushed to remove whatever belongings they could before the fire reached their premises. Others watched helplessly as years of investment and livelihoods were consumed by the inferno. At least 5 buildings have been confirmed destroyed, although authorities are still assessing the full extent of the damage. Officials have not yet released an estimate of the financial losses, but the cost is expected to be substantial given the number of affected properties. As of this report, there has been no official confirmation of any injuries or fatalities. Emergency personnel conducted searches of the affected area as firefighting operations continue to ensure that everyone had been safely accounted for. Investigators are expected to begin examining the scene once it has been declared safe. The exact cause of the fire has not yet been determined, and fire investigators will seek to establish how the blaze started and what factors contributed to its rapid spread. The destruction has dealt a significant blow to the businesses operating along Duke Street, a well-known section of Falmouth that serves both residents and visitors. Many business owners now face the difficult task of assessing their losses and determining how they will recover from the disaster. Police maintained a security presence around the scene as firefighters continue cooling operations, while sections of Duke Street were cordoned off to allow emergency personnel to work safely. Motorists and pedestrians were urged to avoid the area until authorities declared it secure. Residents gathered throughout the day, many expressing shock at the speed with which the fire spread. The incident also renewed discussions about fire prevention, emergency preparedness, and the challenges of protecting closely built commercial districts from large-scale fires. Government agencies are expected to carry out structural assessments of nearby buildings and determine whether additional safety measures are required before businesses in the surrounding area can resume normal operations. Authorities are appealing to anyone who may have witnessed how the fire started or who has information that could assist investigators to contact the relevant emergency services. This remains a developing story. More information, including the official cause of the fire, the estimated value of the damage, and details regarding assistance for affected businesses, is expected to be released as the investigation progresses. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.